Good evening, everyone. Welcome back at Tommy Am Lichin Show. Hit the like button. I'm always gonna say it, guys. How are you guys doing? Thank you for keep supporting us. Join patreon.com splash Tom Yam Lichon. We have a woman interview. She's 18 years old, and we gonna find out what she doing in life. Okay, let's get started. Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine po. Good
Please
evening too.
please introduce yourself.
Mm, Hello everyone, my name is Hazel. I'm 18 years old.
Mhm. Do you have a child?
No po.
What what are you doing in life?
Just staying with my partner po, live-in partner then.
You have
Same.
you have a living partner
Opo.
at 18 years old?
Mm, but
Mm.
only boyfriend po yun.
Yeah,
In,
but living partner, right? You guys live together.
Opo.
Okay. How's your mom saying about that?
Hindi niya po alam.
She don't know.
Mm,
But you don't live with them. So
Only my father,
know
yeah.
about it.
Opo.
So your mom, where is she?
At the province po.
Okay, makes sense. That's why she don't know that you
Mm,
have a living partner.
mm,
Where is she in province, can I ask?
mm, Doon po kami nakatira. We live there.
You mean you are from province because you
Mm,
live here, you don't live there, you dito ka nakatira. Where about in
mm,
province? Where in what province?
Oriental Mindoro po.
Okay, so your dad is here at Angeles City,
No po, Cavite po.
Cavite. Oh. Are they separated, your mom and dad?
Hindi po. For
Oh.
working only.
How did you end up here at Angeles City?
Um, Nung una po, nagpunta po ako Las Piñas. Then yung kaibigan ko po, tinawagan ako para pumunta po dito sa Pampanga.
So she said before she's working in she was in Las Piñas, which is close nearby. What is it? Cavite. We're in Cavite again. If you can remember.
Dasmariñas.
Dasma. Okay. She's what did you do in Las Piñas? You have boyfriend there?
No po. Trabaho rin po.
Work?
Yeah.
How old are you when you start working?
18 years old. Maybe that
18. You
is
just turned 18
last
last year,
last month, 2 months ago.
2 months ago.
Mm.
Mm. So you were 18, and then what's your job there?
I'm sales lady at the grocery.
Sales lady at the grocery. But I heard you saying in outside that you used to work in a bar before.
Mm. Na naggagas po ako minsan.
Before.
Mhm.
Dati yun.
Mhm. Hindi,
Wait,
ngayon lang po nung mga ano lang, ng pagkalipat ko po dito sa Angeles.
when did you move here?
Last month lang.
Last month.
Mm.
How do you know your boyfriend? How did you know him?
Yung kuya po siya ng kaibigan ko.
He's your brother of your friend.
Mm.
Mm, okay. How old is this guy?
19.
19? And you guys live together?
Mm.
Is he treating you good? Because you guys are still young, you know?
Mm. Okay naman po kasi legal
Mm.
naman po kami sa papa niya.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's okay to be legal because it. I'm not because you're still young, 18, but having living partner at age of 18. How is it for you?
Okay naman po, na-handle naman po namin ng maayos.
That's good that you have a good relationship with your boyfriend. So you used to work in bar before,
Yes, before, but not now na.
not now. Why did you stop in a bar?
Nagagalit din po siya,
Your
tsaka,
boyfriend doesn't want you to work in a bar.
sabi niya po, siya na lang daw magtratrabaho para sa amin, dalawa.
He's the one gonna work for you so he can provide you what you
Mm,
need. Oh,
yes po.
okay, nice guy. I hope he won't change in the future, diba?
I really hope so.
Are you in love?
Yes, sa kanya.
You're
Only
in
for
love with
him.
him?
Mm.
So when you work in the bar before, when you have a guest, do you think about your girlfriend?
My boyfriend,
Do you think with him when you having guests like that? When you have a
mm,
guest?
hindi pa kami nun.
Oh, that time you
Mm.
guys are not in. Oh, okay. How long you guys in relationship na?
Hindi, 3 weeks pa lang. Pero matagal na po kami magkakalala. Kumbaga, magka-ano kami, basta parang naging
You've been know
kababata.
him for so long. You
3
was your
years.
childhood friend like that,
Mm.
and then now he's your boyfriend,
Mm.
and you're in love with him.
Opo.
What's his job?
Construction worker.
Because in the bar before, you make more money. Do you make more lot of money in a bar?
Maybe. I think in 1 week I can make a 40,000, 40K. Only for 1 week.
How much do they pay you in the bar?
Hindi. Sa ano yun? Las Piñas.
You work in a bar before?
Ano siya? Massage.
Massage?
Mm-mm.
But you said earlier you were sales lady in Las Piñas.
Nag-ano rin ako.
Different.
Dalawa siya.
Okay. So in massage,
Ano siya? 4 or 5.
for 5,000 peso?
4,500 isang kliyente.
So massage and you do have sex with them?
Pag minsan.
Sometimes.
Pag gusto nila.
If they want to. I'm glad you never get caught by the police.
Hindi, 18 naman ako.
No, because it's not allowed having that kind of job in the bar. Oh, in the massage, It's not allowed because hindi pwede yun, B, kasi hinuhuli. Police will get rid of them. Do you watch news?
Not yet.
Yeah, it's not allowed because it's a massage. Mostly they'll get rid in a bar. In that, ano.
Pinag-comment.
That's good. So you make more money there than here?
Yes. Pero, ano lang. I'm working there for 2 weeks, not for
Here
long
in
time.
Angeles, you work in the bar too, right?
Not now. Before,
No,
yes.
before, yeah.
Yes,
before.
yes.
So how do you get any customers there?
Little.
Mm.
Konti lang.
But sometimes you do freelancing?
Freelance me. Tas, sa ibang restaurant, Korean restaurant, nag-waitress na din ako.
You used to be a waitress, but you do freelance also?
At the bar, I'm a freelancer. And sometimes mamasang because I have a lot of girls.
What do you mean you have a lot of girls?
Nagpapasok po ako ng babae.
You're not mama-san because mama-san is the one handling the ano. You just want them to work in the bar. Because mama-san is the one handling the girls in the bar.
Yun na nga po. Nag-handle po ako ng babae na may commi ako kada ano nila.
You have a commission. Do you have license there?
Ano po, yung pink ID, something like that.
Okay, that's good. Do you miss working in a bar?
No.
How it feels like having sex at age of 18 with different guys?
The truth is not good, but
I know.
But we have a deeply reason why we do that.
Because we need some money.
For my family, because I have many siblings that getting an educate, schooling.
How many siblings do you have?
7.
And you're the one supporting them?
Sometimes when I
you
can.
help them.
Yeah. I'll send money to my mother.
Well, about now, you cannot send money to your mother? Now?
I can sometimes.
Because when your boyfriend give you his all salary every week?
Every
Friday or Sunday?
Saturday.
That's good of him. Do you guys rent apartment?
No. House.
House? Whose house? His house?
His father's house.
So you guys live with his family?
We have other room, and his father has other room.
That's good. That you have a good relationship with your in-laws. Do you think he's the one?
Yes, I think. But not surely, but I think and I want.
If you found a rich guy, will you leave your boyfriend now?
Maybe not. But if the guy foreigner can support me and give him my needs and my family needs, maybe I can or I will. But if I can ignore them, I didn't.
If they don't want to help you and all your entire family you don't want.
Yes, I don't want
So are
because
you're looking for sugar daddy like that?
mm, not
Cause you want them to support all your entire family, so it means you're looking for sugar daddy, right?
maybe that's same something
Cause not
like
all
that.
foreigners are gonna provide all your entire family, okay?
Mm,
They might give you some allowance, but it's for you and it's up to you if you will give it to your
mom.
family,
Mm,
okay? But the it's different when he give you money and different money for your family.
mm,
Some foreigners will only give you money, huh? For you only, not for your family.
mm.
And they will tell you it's really up to you because it's your money, okay? She has ID, she's 18. Everything is check. Those people cannot say in cannot sneak on me because I'm a detective, okay? Yeah, she has though the customer asks your ID.
Yes,
Mm,
I have an ID, national ID that proven that I'm legal age 18 years
mm,
old.
okay, yeah, because we don't wanna you don't wanna get in trouble, right?
Yes, I
Mm. So what kind of partner are you looking for?
am. Korean guy, Korean man.
Why you like Korean?
Think it.
They have a nice eyes,
Mm,
white skin also.
white skin also. But I have a ex that New Zealand boy.
How long you been know this guy?
When I started at the bar,
Did you
maybe
become mag boyfriend girlfriend?
yes, he's my ex for 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks
Did he
maybe.
court you?
Mm, yeah, but
Did
not
he ask you to be your girlfriend?
yes, yes.
Okay. Did he support you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. So how is it? You didn't work out together? Cause it's
Yes,
only
because he's so playboy.
playboy.
Many
Mm.
many girls. I saw him at the bar. Many many girls dancing while flirting, kissing, hugging, something like that. And it's really bad because it's really hurts for me.
Yeah, maybe you're not really his girlfriend. It's just for fun. Cause if he really serious to you, he was not gonna do that things. Going to the bar with flirting with the other bitches.
Yeah.
Only 2 or 3 weeks. My God, he's a young guy.
Mm, 30
Mm,
years old.
30. That's too young for you. Right now, what are you looking for now?
Mm,
Korean rich or no?
no, I'm just okay to my boyfriend na.
No, cause you said, cause I asked you earlier. I asked you
If
if you
a
find
foreigner,
mm-mm. You said you wanna rich, you want a guy that was willing to support your entire family, right?
yes, Korean man.
Korean man.
Mm.
Mm.
And also young, not too old.
He said you was your girlfriend daw, so you don't charge them. Hindi ka daw nag-charge sa kanya, hindi mo charge yung boyfriend mo.
Hindi.
No,
Kusa po siya
he's
nagbibigay.
the one paying it.
Mm.
Did you guys stay together?
Hindi. Kasi
No.
hotel lang siya eh. Kumbaga nag-aano lang ako for 1 day, 1 night,
Oh,
gano'n.
that's not boyfriend. It's only playing, playing, playing. That's not boyfriend, girlfriend.
Hindi.
Kasi if he
Hindi
treat,
naman kami ano.
if it's you guys are really in relationship, he's not gonna just stay with you for 1 day. And you going home and he give you money.
Pero
You,
hindi naman kami nagsasex nun. Ano lang, pupunta lang ako para makasama siya tapos hahatid ko lang siya sa gym. Mahilig kasi siya mag-gym.
okay, that's
Tapos
what she said.
kakain lang sa labas. Ganun.
Yeah, you get paid, right? Binabayaran ka niya.
Binibigyan niya kapag gusto niya.
If you want to. I don't know because I asked you earlier. I don't know if you guys really don't have sleep because you said earlier you don't. But it's your choice. You don't wanna tell them the truth because as I heard you outside with the producers, you said, I don't wanna say anything about it because yeah, it's okay to be shy. What's your job before, diba? And what you still doing? But you're happy now with your boyfriend. I hope he's the one.
Yeah, me too. Because we're happy na. Sometimes getting fight, but not too much.
Yeah, it's part
And
of relationship.
his family, his father is very nice, very
Mm,
kind to me. Then
mm-mm,
they accept me, even what my bad side and good side.
That's good that you are legal with him. Hit the like button, guys. Please don't forget to like button. Okay. Mm. Do you think the Filipino guy will never cheat on you?
Mm, I hope, but I don't think so. If someday he will be cheated on me.
He's good looking guy.
Mm, yeah.
Mm. That's why you're in love.
Mm.
Sana all in
that's
love.
that's the reason why all my ex is handsome. That's why. Yeah.
Okay. I hope your boyfriend is the one. So what's your dream for yourself?
Be successful someday, having a happy family with my own children, and also my siblings and my family have a good health and yeah, something like that.
So so you pray that the guy that you live in right now is the one gonna be your forever partner?
Of course, yes.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad you're contented with your boyfriend. Have you ever cheated on your boyfriend?
No.
Chatting with the other guys?
Yes, only chatting, but
Yeah, it's cheating.
cheating.
Yeah, it's cheating. Why you gonna
But it's my friend, not I didn't chat the strangers guy.
but
And
you chatting I said other guys. I said
I
other
other guys,
guys.
no,
Yeah.
no, no, no. He can open my account and I can open my account too, cause we have a one cell phone that
Mm.
borrow
Yeah,
each
because
other.
if you guys talking with the other guys and you in relationship, it's cheating. Why you gonna entertain other guys when you have other boyfriend?
No, 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 I'm not.
Yeah, I'm just saying. Mm, mm. That's good. Thank you for having you here. Good luck with your life.
Thank
And
you, same as you.
good luck with your good luck with your future with your boyfriend. I hope you're gonna happy with him. Let's do past talk. How
Mm.
old are you when you lost your virginity?
16.
Filipino guys.
Yes.
Mm, okay. How old are you when you got your first blow?
Huh?
First blow.
Blow job?
Yeah,
Now this year.
this year. Favorite position in bed when you have been making love.
Dog style.
Mm. Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Okay. Do you wash dishes?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to because you have partner, living partner. You need
Mm.
to do that. Uh, lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Spit or swallow. Lunok dura.
Dura. Dura.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Good luck. Let's
Thank
go, guys.
you.
Keep tuning in. We're mommy coming for you all. Hit the like button. Thank you for supporting me. Okay, we have to go. Hang on. Okay, this is live, guys. Okay, cause all right. Thank you.
Okay.
Wait lang. Ha, yan ko lang to. Keep tuning in.